All of this is owned by Sony. I own none of the footage shown here. So this is the game itself, No Man's Sky. So this is a trailer. No idea what to expect. The game is much talked about and much hyped in the gaming universe. Everybody is talking about this game. So let's see if it lives up to the hype or not. So we are starting the No Man's Sky series right now. The adventure. This looks awesome here, like an animation movie, more like a movie than a game. And the fight scenes are epic. So the information which I would tell you is also resourced from Wikipedia and my own knowledge. So it is an action adventure survival video game developed and published by the studio Hello Games for PlayStation 4 and Microsoft Windows. It was released in August 2016. The developers Hello Games, publishers Hello Games, distributors are Sony and IM8-bit PC. And what do I have to tell you more than this? So No Man's Sky represents Hello Games' vision of broad attention, and this is a game where they have 4 pillars: survival, exploration. So the 4 pillars are the main pillars of this game. It's available now for your PlayStation 4 if you want to buy it, and it is again by Sony. So now we would have a gameplay footage also which is also by Sony. So it's every footage is by Sony in this video. The Traveler, which is us, we are named as a traveler, can collect information on the planets and life forms and other features of the planets to upload, and he can upload this to the Atlas, a galactic database as depicted in the game's cover artwork, which they are paid for with units in the game currency. The Traveler's ability to explore the planets is only limited by the range of the hyperspace jump engines of their current spacecraft. So you have to modify the spacecrafts to travel beyond in the space ship and travel farther distances. And if you want to cover distances, upgrade the boosters, dude. And this is a planet we are reaching. It's Achaya. Whoa, what a name! Someone from Hello Games discovered this, and this planet looks weird. Like it's having eyes on it and portals kind of things, and we are playing with other people also. So now let's get ahead with the information again. So it is a procedurally generated universe. So what is this? It is a virtual universe. It creates itself. And a fun fact about No Man's Sky: there are 5 trillion planets in the universe. And if you wanted to visit each planet once, it would have taken you 585 billion years to reach and discover every planet. So a fun fact about it: any player can visit any planet till he has the power to visit that planet. The approach is meant to provide cool modes for players as they encounter each other, but not meant to support gameplay like versus environment or fully cooperative modes. So you can play with other players, but you have to work on your own. And these are spacecraft on which we start. So yeah, this is a fun game, and I think so it is living up to the hype, but some people are now starting to cry that this game is not really nice, and I would not say cry, everybody has their own opinion, and some people were just too much hyped for this game and gave the expectation too high, and now the expectations are crushed. So the player character can travel upon the player character, known as a traveler, wakes up on a remote planet near their crashed aircraft. So you wake up near a planet with a crashed aircraft. So what to do? They receive a message from an entity called the Atlas that offers its guidance. Atlas is the database which is super knowledgeful. So they need to make a hyperspace jump to another solar system. En route, they encounter individual members of 3 alien species: the Gek, the Korvax, and the Waikin that inhabit the galaxy. So we are in another. Okay, so we did a hyper jump right now. and we are in another solar system right here. He's added the traveler is alerted of a space anomaly in a nearby system. So you have villains also in this. Ultimately, the traveler reaches the galaxy's center, finding another Atlas interface. The traveler presents the interface with the Atlas stones they have obtained, upon which the Atlas creates a new star and solar system, as well as creating another new traveler entity to restart the exploration. The current traveler is released, free to explore on its own, while from the player's view, they are placed into the control of this new traveler, effectively restarting the game. It's over and then again restarts. So this is a planet not a barren planet, okay, and these are some really weird looking animals here, so I think so we shall run away from these animals and move slowly to them. They have two legs looking straight ahead, and we have all our bullets, so and so this was my review for the No Man's Sky, and I would catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching this and subscribe.
PlayStation